Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a quick unboxing video of some purchases I've made over the past few days. Starting off with a Walther's Trainline Sinclair tank car. I got this at Hobbytown for $21.98, but it was 30% off, so I paid a pretty good price. Let's go ahead and take this right out of the box. It's pretty basic. It's a Walther Trainline, nothing fancy, but it fits the era that I'm modeling, and it was on sale, so I figured I'd get it. The next item I picked up is a Atharn ready-to-roll Golfmobile and Ohio boxcar. I got this for $15 at Dale's train station in Norfolk, VA. If anyone has been to Dale's, you know it's just the best train store in all of Hampton Roads. Actually, it might even be the best train store in all of Virginia. I'm pretty sure this is brand new because when I looked at the lines on the wheels, yeah, there's no lines on there. I think this is a brand new boxcar. So $15 for that is pretty good. That's like a train show price. So pretty happy with that. So the next purchase just came in, and I got a bunch of Atlas Chesapeake and Ohio rolling stock. So I'll go ahead and grab a couple of these out. I got these on eBay. So that one's these are assembled kits as well, so that's really cool. And then, yeah, I could slide that out of the way because I got 3 of the boxcars that are in here and 3 of the pulpwood flats with loads, which is really cool. I will be linking the eBay seller's page in the description because he was pretty cool. He did offer combined shipping, and somehow I think I paid less for all of that to get shipped than just for, I think these were listed as a 3-pack, or he was selling all 3 together, and the shipping was like $15. I ended up paying 13 something for shipping for all 6 cars, which was pretty cool. So that guy was awesome. I'll leave the link to his page in the description. He's got a bunch of HO and I think a few O-scale items as well. So that's cool. Pretty impressed with that. Some more C&O equipment. And then let's go ahead and crack into that pulpwood flat. There's the box. And the number if anyone wanted to know. And again, I did get 3 of these as well. There's the paper, get that out of the way. Cool. Nice. Looks really good. Here's all 6 of them on the track. All different road names as well, so that's very good. Unlike those AccuRail boxcars I have in the background, those are all unfortunately the same number. Anyways, going into the last and biggest purchase. This is a Bachmann Spectrum 280 consolidation in the Chesapeake and Ohio scheme. And this one is supposedly brand new. Oh, it's cool artwork inside the box. So I always love that. Let's see how this cracks open. Got the sleeve. That was on there pretty good. And then I think this just clamps right. Yep, okay, cool. Let me go ahead and get this on the track, and I'll throw some cars behind it, some of those new cars, and we'll watch it run. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and apply track power. Nice. Throw the headlight on. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be very bright. Bulb might be burnt out. There's the bell. Long whistle. Short whistle. Steam release. The generator. And coupling. Actually, that might be startup sequence. There's the coupling. go ahead and take it on a run.